And today, Jazz and I checked out Ross Norton Skate Park here in Clearwater, Florida. It is really fun. It costs $2 to get in here, super cheap. Some places are free, this just charges. But I think it's nice here because you have an indoor area where you can, you check in and it's air conditioning and there's really nice clean bathrooms, which I know is important for everyone. The place is really well kept. There's hips everywhere. Even when you enter in, there's little hips, there's ramps, really nice hips here, all different sizes, beginner, intermediate, whatever you want to do, all kinds of stuff here. Railings everywhere, and it's pretty spread out. There's lots of room, so you can imagine we're the only ones here today. It was really lucked out, kind of nice. There's stairs, railings, hips, more hips over there, grind boxes you can slide on. Nice hit here, taller ramps over here. These are like, I'd say 6.5 or 6 foot, probably 6 foot or so. They don't quite go to vert, but again, they're in really good shape and they're real smooth when you go from the concrete up onto the ramp. The ramps are really in good shape again, and they're just solid. They're all solid. They feel good, and there's no holes anywhere. There's no rotted stuff. Every ramp is really smooth. We went over the whole course. There's a little spine, kind of like a spine over here. Jazz did that. I didn't try that. I don't know. It's not really a spine, but it's close. So those are real fun. You got hit a big quarter ramp here, more railings around the outside. You can drop down this ramp and hit this big giant kicker thing here and try to clear the box. That's pretty cool. I didn't try that. I'm not brave enough to clear that whole thing. It looks like you'd have to get a pretty good amount of height. And I pretty much stayed on this half pipe. It's an awesome half pipe. You can get several riders on it at the same time. It's nice and wide. Again, it's super smooth, super stable, solid feeling. No rickety, rotted holes or anything. It's, again, in really good shape, the whole place. So I had a good time. You're right near the water here, so it's a beautiful view. Just a nice place to come. So if you guys are ever down here in Clearwater, Florida and want to skate, looking for somewhere to skate, I recommend checking this place out. It's really fun. So hopefully you guys like that. We'll catch you all next time. See you.